Hey everyone, Gerry Cramer here. You might know me or my partner Rob Jones. Now that Rob and I are traveling through Asia and I'm living here in Bali, we are inviting you to come to Bali for the Motorcycle Mastermind. It's a 3-day bonding experience, something where you will be heading out with probably about 6 to 12 internet marketers, entrepreneurs, thought leaders, people who want to get together and help each other solve problems and just have an amazing time. Who knows what'll come out of it? Something always comes out of these masterminds. A few years ago, me and my good buddy Tai Lopez and Tim Houston founded the Millionaire Mastermind in Hollywood, California. And since then, I discovered really how powerful masterminds are. So we're gonna invite you out here. We're gonna get you on top of a motorcycle, whether you've been on one before or not, doesn't really matter. We'll teach you how to drive one, and we will probably come right up here on this very volcano. There's so many cool things to see through Bali. We will ride up through North Bali and all the way around some of the most amazing coastlines anywhere in the world. All you need to do is cover your plane fare to get here. We'll probably cover your accommodations. There's no charge to get in. The only catch is that we're only inviting high-level marketers. But at the same time, you know, if you're a nomad entrepreneur and you love traveling around Asia, or if you're interested in doing it even for the first time, you're invited. So it's gonna be a blast, guys. It's gonna be so much fun. Hope to see you here.